Hey Felix here, your 4x4 agent, and today we're going to do door handles. So a little while ago, I found this company Fury. It is a Chinese company, but I really liked their styling and their quality. And so I ended up getting these door handles. Now, to be honest, I thought these were full replacements, but what they turned out to be is actually technically stick-ons, but they're metal. And so the way that they initially come is that line that goes down the middle is silver or chrome, I guess. And I'll post a picture here somewhere showing what they normally look like. But I painted these, so I'll show you that as well here in a sec. There it is, taped off, and I've painted the silver stripe black. I know with the reflection it still looks like it's silver, but that's just a reflection off the paint. And actually, to test it out, already did because you get the 5 handles, and then you get the one for the back. I already did the back one. I put it on, and I'll cut to that right now. Here's the rear one installed already with the button, the top piece, and as you can see, that silver stripe is gone. Again, what you're seeing is a reflection, just like here. That's black, but because of the way the light's sitting in and the angle, it looks lighter. But it's actually all black. Let me see if I can get this to focus. You can actually kind of see it on the rear one. That was the first one. I didn't do a phenomenal job with the taping. So there's still on this edge a slight bit of silver poking through, but you can't really see it. So with the 5 handles, you also get the buttons, and that's for when you have the keyless doors. So you get the buttons that you slip into there and you actuate the button with. So now I'm going to go ahead and install them. They install, you just peel this off, line it up, stick it on. Before you do that, you do drop the button in here from the back. It is captured, so it doesn't pop out. And then you have the caps that go on the end like that. So I'm going to put them in and show you what that looks like. So just to show you, those are the 2 different types of pins that come in there. The bigger one is for the door handles that do not have a button on there, and the little one is for the door handles that do have a button on there, like this. If you have a button, you use the small cap. If there is no button, use the big cap. And all you do is you flip it upside down. You take whichever button you need for that door handle. And you drop it in like that. So see, it doesn't fall through. And it pops out the other side. Okay, like that. And obviously you would do the same thing if it was for a door handle with with a button. You would just drop that in, and then it sits flush. All right, let's go install this. All right, it is done. So that is what it looks like. A couple things to keep in mind. One, make sure you use like an alcohol or Windex or something to clean off your door handles before you stick them on. And 2, remember, they are black, although they do come in silver as well, I believe, but they are metal. So if you live in a warm climate, such as Arizona, maybe Florida, they will heat up in the sun, and then when you go to grab them, they're going to be a little hot. But because they're stick-ons, this part is still plastic, so you can always just, put your hand in that way and open if need be. if these are too hot to the touch, but just be careful, don't burn yourself. So here's what that looks like on this side. So I am considering possibly painting over this as well. We'll see. I don't know. If it starts bothering me too much, I'll take some black paint and using a brush or something and paint this over. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.